Hello, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Guys, we are going on another vacation, and this time I'm not revealing where we are going to until we land. Right now, we are at Terminal 1 in Namauru, and we are heading towards our boarding gate. बहुत ही late थे हम लोग. We rushed for our lives, that's why we couldn't vlog as well. But तुम्हारा भाई ना बोला इंडिगो को कि मेरे बिना अगर फ्लाइट चला दी तो मैं मिस कर दूंगा फ्लाइट. Because I can't say anything loudly, at the airport,
You can't.
you're not allowed to say anything. So now we are headed towards our boarding gate, which I don't know where it is. 20. And we shall get something to snack on. If you guess the price of this water bottle, I'm going to give you 1,000 rupees. This bottle is called Evian
120.
120?
Yeah.
275. My bus ticket to the airport from 25 kilometers away was 275 rupees. This better hydrate you for the entire trip, okay? I'm not buying you any more water. Even Virat Kohli doesn't drink 300 rupees ka pani,
We don't have water here. See, I told you.
It doesn't, look at this, it doesn't drip.
It doesn't come only for it to
You have to suck on it. Hydrating. So, we got hungry, so we got cup noodles. Guys, we are eating cup noodles after at least 5-6 years.
How long since I graduated college? Sorry, school.
You ate in school last.
7 years, yeah. 7 years.
400 rupees ke noodles. Can you guys guess where we have landed? Chef. Goa. Wow. Where are we, guys? Where are we? They still don't know where we are.
We're in India.
Yeah, international we haven't gone.
That much money we don't have.
Yeah, I have, but
He doesn't want to spend.
I don't want to spend.
He's
Conjuice like that.
damn conjuice. Shameless.
I want to keep desh ka paisa in the desh.
Oh, we left that bottle.
Bro, my 300 rupees ki bottle, you left it in. Wow.
Shit. I'm sorry. You should also be sorry, bro. You
Very
also
good.
left it.
As always,
No, guys, he's lying.
my bag
Guys, he's
has
lying.
reached first.
My bag reached first and he's paying
Where?
for the trip.
Where is your
You
bag?
are not pointing to it.
My bag is here. Guys, should we do a breakfast number 2? Should we?
Yeah.
I mean, we have the time. This is why.
Calories we don't.
Yeah, we don't have the calories, but we have the time. Guys, yesterday, you know how shredded I was looking? I'm gonna put a video here. I was looking so lean yesterday that after a long time I put a physique update on Instagram also. Then guess where we are, guys? Padharo Maro Desh. We are in Rajasthan. We are in Udaipur. This is our Pyaj Kachori. First piece of food in Udaipur. Let's taste it. I'm digging in, okay?
It's too hot. How did you eat that?
It's good. It's good only, no?
Bro, how are you holding it, Mohit?
What?
I'm not able to hold it.
She's saying it's too hot when I'm literally eating it.
He's not letting me eat only.
We've also gotten this thing called as khaman. Let me taste this. It's very airy and porous. Yeah. Eat the entire minchi. It's not spicy. Nice, no? I'm glad I took this instead of kachori because that would be too much same taste. Guys, we have now arrived at our hotel. We are staying at Hotel Lake End. See that? Wow. Bro, the breeze.
It's gonna get cold, is what I'm worried
In the evening, right?
Yeah.
It will get cold. Hectic breeze, bro. This is insanely pretty, bro. They've kept the lake clean
Can you see the colors?
and it doesn't stink. Guys, this is the Fateh Sagar Lake and this is our hotel. We have hired our cab guy as our travel guide for the day and he's going to take us around a couple of places. So guys, we've just changed our clothes. We are now heading out for lunch. We're going to get some lal mas. That is what we are here for. How do we look? How's my fit? Guys, lunch ke liye we've come to 1559 AD, which is very close to our hotel itself. What are you thinking? Sure, let's go. Very, very pretty entrance to the place. Yeah. This looks proper fine dine, brother. What do you mean you're not dressed for it? Guys, nobody cares. We are dressed. So this is the menu at 1559 and I'm going to be starting with a mutton galoti kebab and one chicken tikka. Apart from that, I'm gonna be taking one lal mas, obviously, right there. That is the mutton galati kebab. This is the lal mas. This is my chicken tikka, and that is my tandoori roti. It looks good, doesn't it?
Very good.
Looks very good. I'm excited for the galati though. Is it good? Is it soft? Is so soft? Is it tasty though? Taste review, guys. We ate something like this in Cavatina, Goa. I'm gonna take a chunk of that goat meat. Guys, the meat is insanely good, okay? Just look at that. In the mouth. The meat is so good. But the curry? Did you sense the curry? There's no flavor in the curry. This is kulfi and this is gulkand rabdi. Both are different items. Let's eat it. Bro, it's melting. Chef, it's melting. Oh my god. Bro, so satisfying. We are now done with lunch.
Did you vlog that dessert?
I did.
Oh, yeah.
The dessert was beautiful.
Before coming here, he said we have only one dessert a day, and then we had 2 desserts for lunch.
मेरा प्लान ये था कि पर डे वन डिजर्ट खाएंगे, वो भी शेयर करेंगे. And already in this meal itself, चलिए sir, we had 2. Guys, we have now arrived Sajjangarh Biological Park. So हम 2 जानवर काफी नहीं थे. आप लोगों को और भी जानवर दिखाएंगे अभी.
तो नहीं.
Oh,
Yeah,
you are not a जानवर.
I'm a cute जानवर.
Okay, come. So we need to get a golf cart here because we cool like that. Oh my god, guys, this place is so pretty. Teriyan, teriyan, teriyan. Hectic golf cart, guys. There's no suspension on this. Beach mein we get up because there's a black bear here. You know what they say, guys? If it's black, you fight. If it's brown, you duck. No, you don't cuddle. You don't know the saying.
No, I don't know.
Bro, if you see a bear, if it's a brown bear, you just act dead. If it's a black bear, you stand upright and you fight it. You shout. But if it's a white bear, you're finished.
Polar bear.
Yeah, polar bear. You know how big a polar bear is? Come here. Come here. You see this tree? It'll go up till there. When it's on its full feet, right? It'll go up till there. It's that big. Polar bears are that big. Bro. They are lying to us, okay? There's no way you can fight that bear. It's huge. Bro, it's huge. Imagine if it stands up. Guys, the tiger is there. Huge. I don't even think that's fully grown, bro. Bro, hectic. Bro, he's looking at me only. So guys, Biological Park के बगल में ही है सज्जनगढ़ Fort. And we are now at the summit of that fort. इधर sunset point भी है, but अभी sunset होने के लिए at least 1 घंटा है. So we are going to explore the fort now. This is also called as the Monsoon Palace because the Rani of Udaipur at some point of time used to come here to spend her monsoons.
Wow, what a
हमारी रानी, what do you want? हमारी रानी ने बोला उदयपुर लेके चलो, हम उदयपुर ले आए.
And then he made me pay, guys.
It's a modern society, थोड़ा तो करना पड़ेगा रे.
नहीं बनना modern.
नहीं बनना modern. Oh my god.
Hot, right?
It's hot, yes. So apparently lockdown के time जब इधर भीड़ बिल्कुल नहीं थी, leopards were just roaming around everywhere. The city of lakes, guys, it is also a purely white city. This is the entire palace from the bottom and we have access to only this ground floor. We are now sitting at the palace and sipping on Diet Coke. I mean, this is life. This is life, guys. खाओ पियो पैसे कमाओ ऐश करो फिटनेस मेंटेन करो और क्या चाहिए अपनी रानी को घुमाओ राइट और क्या चाहिए हैप्पी
Slightly.
slightly because I called you Rani.
Yes.
Life does not get much better than this, guys.
It does with me in the frame.
Oh, it does with her in the frame. Then why don't you, Maharani, please?
Because you didn't pull the chair. No Maharani pulls her own chair.
I'll call my servants. My
Oh my god, oh my god.
oh my god, sorry Maharani.
Him also.
Come here, come sit here. Now you tell me, guys, life does not get much better than this. Our Maharani is here, Diet Coke in hand, बैंक में पैसा और क्या चाहिए
बैंक में और पैसा.
बैंक में और पैसा that would be nice. And as soon as the sun has started to set, the temperature has dropped, right? It's dropping quick and it's very pleasant right now. So guys, we're now done with the fort visit. Sunset was beautiful. Our cab driver has now brought us for some charts. We are at Chotu Bhai. There are like at least 100 stalls here. All of these are chaat stalls and we've decided Bro, this all put together is at least 100 stalls.
Oh, then okay.
There are plenty here. So Chotu Bhai is around since 1971 and we have gone for Aloo Chola Tikki. Apparently it's one of the most famous things here. Although she wanted Pani Puri, but I convinced her for this. She never gets what she wants. And there's pretty much everything that you would ever want. Pasta, burger. You see the burger spelling? Burger. French fry. To be honest, this setup is not what we imagined when we thought कि हम लोग North Indian chaats खाएंगे.
I don't like
This
tomato.
is our chola tikki chaat. Oh wow, it's good. Oh wow,
Okay, I take that back. It's good.
it's good. Fuck, this is what North Indian chaats are. This is the most disciplined eating chef and I have ever done.
That's true.
We've never stopped at, this is the right limit.
Bro, I would never stop at one chart. Like,
Right? We
shit.
stopped at one chaat. Lunch also only 2 starters and 1 main course.
Chaat is the most favorite thing in the world. Like, I love chaat.